Welcome back to Tech Flash Daily, your go-to spot for the latest and most exciting updates from the world of technology. Today, we're diving deep into a unique feature from Huawei that's been turning heads around the globe. This isn't a copycat move or a recycled idea, it's a 100% original innovation, and it's changing the game for smartphone users everywhere. Huawei has always been a brand known for pushing boundaries. Whether it's in camera technology, network equipment, or smartphone design, they've consistently delivered features that force the rest of the industry to take notice. But this time, they've introduced something that is not just useful, but genuinely unique, something no other brand has dared to implement in quite the same way. The feature we're talking about is Huawei's AI-powered live translation system, built directly into their devices. Imagine this. You're traveling abroad, walking through markets in Tokyo, or ordering food in a cafe in Paris, and your Huawei phone automatically translates signs, menus, and even live conversations in real time. That's right, real-time translation with no lag and no need for an internet connection. This is made possible through Huawei's proprietary AI chipset and advanced neural processing units. Unlike traditional apps that rely heavily on cloud services, Huawei's system works offline, making it perfect for travelers who want to avoid expensive roaming charges. It's not just text translation, it also includes live voice translation. You can have a smooth, natural conversation with someone who speaks a completely different language, and your Huawei device will act as a seamless interpreter between you both. And here's where it gets even more interesting. Huawei has integrated this feature deeply into its camera app. Using the phone's camera, you can simply point at any foreign text, be it a street sign, a product label, or an instruction manual, and the translation will appear instantly over the image on your screen. It feels like something out of science fiction, but it's here, and it's real. This level of integration is what sets Huawei apart. While other brands offer translation apps, they're often clunky, require constant internet access, and feel tacked on as an afterthought. Huawei's solution is smooth, fast, and built right into the core software, thanks to their Harmony OS system, which is optimized for AI tasks. But let's talk about the technology behind this. At the heart of this system is Huawei's Kirin chipset with its advanced NPU neural processing unit. This chip is designed to handle AI computations locally on the device. That means faster processing, lower power consumption, and, most importantly, complete privacy. Since your data doesn't have to be sent to the cloud, privacy is becoming more important than ever in today's world, and Huawei's offline translation feature directly addresses those concerns. By keeping your translations and voice data on the device, it ensures that your conversations stay private and secure. That's a huge plus for users who are cautious about using cloud-based services. Another cool aspect is that Huawei's AI system can handle multiple languages, over 50 at the moment, and the company is constantly adding more. So whether you're heading to Europe, Asia, the Middle East, or South America, chances are, your Huawei phone has you covered. And this isn't limited to high-end flagship models. Huawei has been gradually rolling out this feature to some of its mid-range devices too, making it accessible to a wider audience. That's a smart move because it means more people can benefit from this technology without breaking the bank. Let's look at a practical example. Picture this, you're at an international airport, and you see flight information only displayed in a foreign language. Instead of scrambling to find someone who speaks your language or hunting for a translation app with Wi-Fi, you just pull out your Huawei phone, point the camera, and instantly get the information you need in your language. Or imagine you're having a business meeting with a client from another country. With Huawei's live voice translation, your phone sits on the table and bridges the communication gap in real time. That's not just useful, that's game-changing for global business and diplomacy. Huawei has also included customization options in this feature. You can adjust the speed of voice translation, choose different voice styles, and even set up conversation history logs that you can review later. This is perfect for students learning a new language or travelers who want to remember key phrases. Now, let's talk about performance. Users who have tried this feature report that the translation is surprisingly accurate and natural sounding, even with tricky phrases and idioms. That's because Huawei's AI is trained on massive datasets and uses context-aware models to improve accuracy. One question people often ask is, how does this compare to services like Google Translate or Microsoft Translator? Well, while those services are excellent, they usually depend on a stable internet connection to function at their best. Huawei's offline capability is where it really shines. Plus, the integration with the camera and real-time voice translation makes it feel more seamless and user-friendly. Another advantage is battery efficiency. By using the on-device NPU instead of constantly pinging cloud servers, Huawei's phones manage to save power, which is great news for users who are on the move all day. Looking ahead, Huawei is continuing to invest heavily in AI technology, and they've hinted that even more powerful translation features are coming in future updates. That could include things like real-time subtitle generation for videos and even more languages being supported. In a world that's becoming increasingly globalized, a tool like Huawei's AI Live Translation isn't just a cool feature, it's an essential bridge that connects people from different cultures and backgrounds. It helps break down language barriers in everyday situations, making the world feel a little smaller and a lot more connected. So, if you're someone who travels often, works internationally, or just loves the idea of seamless communication, this is one Huawei feature you'll definitely want to explore. It's original, it's practical, and it's setting a new standard for what smartphones can do. And that wraps up today's deep dive into Huawei's incredible AI-powered translation system. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Tech Flash Daily for more original tech insights, reviews, and updates from around the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we uncover more tech features that are changing our daily lives. Until then, stay connected and stay informed.